Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm all ready. I put some makeup on. I don't have any base products, but other than the base products and everything on, I just felt like I should dress up. I will also show you guys my outfit in a while, but I just got ready and it took me a while. It's 12:15 I think right now, and I don't know what to do. I today is basically like a revision day, so I don't have to per se study. I can skip it, but I'm thinking like I should just go through some topics. So I think I'm gonna do that right now. And we also have some unboxing right now, as you can see from the title. So we will unbox that, but I'm thinking we either do it after lunch or maybe in the evening. Probably we'll do it after lunch. So I'm just gonna do some like revision right now, and then I will see you guys during lunchtime. Okay, you guys, so I'm done studying. I'm gonna go have lunch, but before that, I will quickly show you guys my outfit. So I decided to dress up after so long. Oh my god. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a plain black shirt which has like this tie thing, and I've in like put it in, tucked it in from the what do we say, आगे से I've tucked it in and पीछे से it is out, and I'm wearing these pants. I have these pants from like 3 to 4 years and I hardly worn them, so I thought that I should pair them. And I feel like these pants were in trend like, you know, back 3-4 years. They were so trendy, but like now they are not. And like this is how it is with a slit in the front. So this is what I am wearing. My makeup though you guys saw only, so yeah, that's my tripod behind. But yeah, I'm quickly gonna have lunch right now and then we will do the unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm done with my lunch and now we're gonna start with the unboxing of this. So I'm gonna open the plum packet first because I really wanted to be excited about the Becca one. So you know, we'll get the a little less exciting one out of the way. But yeah, so the first package is from Plum. They had their birthday sale going on, which they had, I think, a lot of cool offers. They had 40% off, and then they had some free gifts. But I don't know if I've actually got a free gift with my order. They said that on the website that, you know, you get a free gift with every order. But let's see. Let's open this. I'm sorry if you cannot see me opening it. I will try my best to show you guys to open it. I don't know how it opens actually. This is me struggling to open the packet. Like, you guys see this? The amount of tape over here is unreal. Like, I just want to open the package, girl. Come on. Okay. Oh my god, we have it. So this is how the package looks like. Very like tough packaging. I mean, your product won't get damaged. Okay, so we have this. Here it has a card. You guys will see everything inverted. I'm so sorry. But it says their 7th birthday treat. It's so cute. Let me just open and see what it says. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so they have a gift card. It says, our gift to you, flat rupees 200 off to celebrate our 7th birthday with you. Use the code. I'm not telling you the code. Let's celebrate by choosing goodness for you. How to use, add your favorite plums to the cart and use the code. It's valid till 31st December. Then we have 15% off on skincare, and then they have some other offers, 20% off hair care, 20% on body care, and 20% off on makeup, which is amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. It's so cute. You can actually buy stuff on Prom right now. So they have their 7th birthday sale. I think it's over by the time you'll be seeing this video. But they had basically like 40% off, and then they had like buy one get one free and stuff like that. So this is, I think, basically, oh my god guys, look at this. I don't know if you all can see this. Yeah, these are stickers that they have given. So cute. I love it. Okay, next, finally we have the product. So I ordered for a hair mask. It is the, I'll show you guys. This is what I got. I don't know if you can see better this way. Yeah. So this is what I got. So this is the Plum's Avocado Nourish Up Hair Mask. And I saw a really good review about this, and I was running out of my hair mask. So I was using the Matrix Biolage hair mask, but I think they've stopped producing it or whatever. That is a really good hair mask too, but I was running out, so I thought that I will give this one a try. So I'm really excited. It seems like really small though. But yeah, it retails for $675, and I had a lot of offers, so I got it for 460 rupees, which is a really good deal. So yeah, I am really happy about that. I'm just going to remove this and just see how it looks. I think probably it might have a cover on it. Yeah, it has a cover. So I'll probably use this one, and then I will update you guys how I feel about this mask really soon. So yeah, that is the Plum mask, but I'm really happy with everything that was inside, like these stickers and this birthday card and everything. I'm really happy about this. Okay, next up in our way is the Becca. I hate the packaging of this one. It's like some plastic, normal, you know, wrapping paper bhi nahi, but this is some weird shit. But anyway, it's from the Nykaa Luxe store. This is my first luxury purchase. So this is from Becca. If you guys don't know what Becca is, you are living under a rock. Becca is a really famous international makeup brand. They are known for their glow and illuminating products, and the most popular product from Becca is their highlighters, which the most famous one is Champagne Pop, and that is what I got. Oh my god, the struggle to get my hands on Champagne Pop was real. So basically they have been restocking Becca products for the very last time, and Becca is shutting down in September this year, which is really sad. It is such a well-known and such an OG makeup brand, and it coming to a shutdown. I have never really shopped from Becca, but when I heard that it's shutting down, I was like, I need to get my hands on something. But I was waiting for my birthday, and then I got to know that they are restocking it on Nykaa for the very last time. So I really wanted to get a mini highlighter because of course Becca products are expensive. The mini one I think retails for 1500 and the larger one for 2500, something like that, whatever it is. But they had a few offers, and they had few products free, sample size products free with it. So I thought that I should get it. I got it on an offer, and yeah, so I was like constantly checking, and like the products run out of stock so quickly. Like they have 20 products stocked up, and like in the next like half an hour all of them are gone. So I luckily managed to get my hands on this. I will link it down below. You constantly need to keep on checking the Nykaa website throughout the day just to see if it's there in stock. I think they still have Moonstone in stock in the mini one. So in case you want to get your hands on that, you can definitely get it. I will link it down below. In case you are interested, you can check it out. But let's get to unboxing this one. Like a paper box packaging, which I'm not a fan of. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the Nykaa Luxe store because obviously it is a luxury makeup brand. This is my first ever luxury makeup product purchase, and I'm so excited. Okay, we are gonna unbox this, so we're gonna just cut through the seal. And we are gonna open this. Oh my god, I am beyond excited, you guys. So So this is what the packaging looks like. They have a note first which says thank you. We are thrilled you chose to shop with us. We hope you loved your experience. Then we have a bill, of course. And then we have the backup products. Oh my god, you guys see this? I'm sorry if I look here, but yeah. So I got 2 free products. So this is what I have gotten. This is the first thing that I have gotten from them. This is not a manual. So this is their anti-fatigue eye primer sample, and these are their under eye corrector samples. So these are in the shade medium to deep and light to medium, and this is their anti-fatigue primer. So it's, I feel like this is a one-time use only. So you basically like take off the seal from here and then you can use it. So I'm going to keep this because I really want to use this for my birthday. I'm not going to use any of the products right now. I'm going to keep them for my birthday. So yeah, this is what it is, and this is the final product which comes in like this. It's like stuck to it. So this is what it is. Yeah, they've taped it behind. So I'm going to open it. The product is open. Oh my god, you guys can see this? It's open. I have not touched it, okay? It's completely sealed. I have not touched it. Let me just open and check if there's no like default or something like that. And it's good I'm filming it so they will know. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the product and it was open already. But this is what the product looks like. So this is their highlighter. This is the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. It comes in a very classic golden champagne packaging, and I also got another free sample. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what it is. This is their Skin Love Glow Elixir. It's like a sample size. I'm just going to open this one first. I'm going to keep the highlighter for last. Oh, this is so cute! Guys, look at this. So cute. It's such a mini bottle. I think I could get like 2 to 3 uses out of this one. It's their skincare range apparently, like from what I've read. So I will try this also and let you guys know. These products are, I think, available on Nykaa, but like the famous ones always go out of stock. But yeah, let's finally get to our champagne pop, and I'm gonna just close this one. Okay, so this is champagne pop, the mini highlighter. This is the size that it comes in. I think this is a very decent size, and for a product like highlighter, I think this will last you a very long time. I probably like until you run out of makeup, unless and until you're like a makeup artist who uses a lot of makeup. I feel like if you are someone like me, you know, who wears makeup on a regular basis, this will last you forever, trust me. I have a blush which I've been using for like 4 to 5 years and it's still there and there is still a lot of it. So powder products will last you a very long time, and if you're someone who uses it occasionally to मतलब lifetime ही तुमको चलेगा. So I feel like if you want to invest in high-end products, you should always start with minis. And yeah, so this is what it is. Let's open it. I don't know, where do you open it from? Okay, you open it from here. Oh my god, look at this. This is what the highlighter looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is such a beautiful champagne shade. I don't want to swatch it for you guys because I really want to keep it for my birthday. But it is so beautiful. It comes with a mirror which is really good. And I don't know how much product you get in this. Yeah, you get 2.4 grams of product, which I think is a decent amount. It is a shimmering skin perfector pressed in the shade Champagne Pop. Oh my god, you guys. I am so happy and so excited. It's like a very beautiful, it seems very white on here, but it's a very beautiful champagne shade which will go on all skin types. Sorry for the noise. This will go on all skin types, and mind you, it will look beautiful and gorgeous on all skin types. And I am so excited. If you want the dupe for this, which is very cheap, the dupe for this is the Sugar's mini highlighter in the shade Champagne. It is exactly similar to this one. Whenever I use it, I will try to swatch it and probably make a reel or something like that on the dupe for it. But yeah, I am really excited and I'm so happy. I have something from Becca. This will be a memory to me for a lifetime. But I think yeah, that is it for the unboxing. And now I'm just gonna chill for a while. And then we have something actually really exciting in the evening also. So I will see you guys then. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock right now and we are going to make something really exciting. So I really wanted to make chocolate chip cookies since a very long time. So that is what we are going to make right now. We're going to making chocolate chip cookies eggless, and I will show you guys my recipe. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a perfect spot for you guys there. Now we're going to start. So the first thing that we need to do is take some butter. I will have my recipe just here for my reference. So we need 1/4 cup butter. So that's what we are gonna do. Okay, so this is 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna take some butter. So you need room temperature butter, which is like soft. Don't melt it in the microwave. You need soft butter. So just remove it before you are about to make it. So I'm gonna take 1/4 cup butter. Okay, so I have 1/4 cup butter here. I filled it all in. I'm gonna just empty this. Okay, this is gonna be a task. So I'm gonna empty all of this in here. Okay, we have 1/4 cup butter over here. Next we need sugar. So we need 2 tablespoon white sugar, 2 tablespoon brown sugar. So that is what I'm gonna take. This is my 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna take sugar in here. Okay, so this is 1 tablespoon white sugar. This is 2 tablespoons. Next we're gonna take up some brown sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And now what you're supposed to do is you're gonna whisk all of it in till it becomes fluffy. So I will show you guys. So I'm gonna take this electric one. Sorry if my face gets cut. I'm gonna take this electric one, and this is how the mixture looks. It's all separate right now. So I'm gonna whisk it in till it becomes fluffy. It says 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 1 to 2 minutes and then see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna I'm just gonna collect all of this in. So this is how it looks combined. Now I'm just gonna whisk it in. Okay, so I feel like this much is enough. Like this is how it looks. I will show you guys a close-up. This is how it looks and I think I'm happy with it. So now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. Okay, so before we add in our dry ingredients, we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that is what I'm going to add. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we need to add 1/2 cup of flour. So that's what we'll do next. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour, maida, if you don't know what it is. Next in we will add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's find some baking soda. Yeah, this is what it is. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna add some baking soda. I will mix all of this in now just with this whisk, and yes, okay, now I don't know what I did wrong, but it looks very separated. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try and mix it in. It does form a dough, so that's not an issue. I think I'll have to just do it with my spoon. I'm also going to add in choco chips to it because of course it is a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to add in choco chips. I'm not taking a measurement. I'm just going to eyeball it, add according to my taste. I'm going to mix all of this in, and it should not be a sticky dough. Keep that in mind. If your dough feels sticky, you can add in flour, and if it feels like very dry, you can add in a little bit of milk. Okay, this is how the dough looks like. I will show you guys a close-up. Okay, so this is how the dough looks like. You can see the choco chips are also well incorporated inside. Now we need to rest this dough and the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna cool this down, and till the time I'm gonna clean all of this mess right here, and then we will get back when we have to bake this. Okay guys, it's been half an hour. 15 minutes before I switched on my oven right here to preheat. So we have to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes at least. Now I'm going to take this baking tray. I'm going to line it with some parchment paper. So I'm gonna lay this parchment paper right here. This is our dough. It has become a little bit firm since it was in the fridge, and now we're supposed to cut it in equal sections. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. We're supposed to cut it in equal sections. So I'm just gonna take this chopping board up. I'm gonna keep this up right here now, and I'm gonna divide. Okay, I'm gonna divide it into equal sections so we have like equal cookie balls. So this is the size that I've cut it in, and I'm gonna make a ball out of it. So this is the ball that I have made, and I'm gonna start lining it up on this paper. This is how the balls look. You're supposed to keep it at balls. Once it starts cooking, it will flatten out. If you want like a really chewy and flat thin cookie, then you can flatten them out a little bit. Now I'm gonna also top these up with a little choco chips on top. You guys, so this is how the cookies look like. I am so excited to try them out. So now we're gonna bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 9 to 10 minutes. Usually cookies take 15 minutes to cook, but we're gonna keep it for 9 to 10 minutes because when you remove it out of the oven, they are still going to keep cooking. So we're gonna keep it for some lesser time. You can remove it when you see the cookies start browning at the edges. So yeah, let's keep them in the oven. Guys, this is 10 minutes later and they're still undone, so I'm gonna keep them in for another 10 minutes and keep checking every 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, the cookies are done. I took them out and I kept them for 15 minutes. I still feel they might be a little undone, but I feel like they're gonna cool down and cook by themselves. So I'm gonna keep them on a wire rack for 30 minutes and then I'll see you guys. You guys, I'm gonna try it. Not gonna lie, I already had a bit, but it tastes so good. It tastes like buttery. I can definitely taste the butter, which is good. It's not too hard, nor it's like too soft. It's like the perfect consistency. I could have made it a little bit flatter, you know, just because it's like a very thick cookie. But I love it and it is so good. Dinner time right now, so this is what we have for dinner. ये थोड़ा burnt है. These are mozzarella sticks, these two are pesto rolls, these are cheese balls, and these are some Mexican rolls. So I'm gonna eat this right now and then we'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with dinner and right now it is 9 o'clock and I think it's the end of the day today. Today was quite an eventful day, but I have one more thing to show you guys. So my mom's friend got me these gifts. So I will show you guys what all is there in this. The first thing over here are these chocolates which are so cute. I don't know what they're called. They are some Jai Hind 100% pure ghee sweets. So they have like different flavors like chocolate, rose, orange, mango, walnut, butterscotch. So I'm really excited to try these. It is such a cute packaging. And the next thing that she got me is so beautiful. So It is this cute little batwa, or I don't know what you call this, pouch, jholi bag, pouch, whatever you call it. It is so beautiful, such a beautiful pink and golden embroidery, pink color, very pretty. And I actually have an outfit which will perfectly match with this one. So I'm really excited to try this. And there's something inside it. I think there's a packet of bindi. This, I think, some puja ka gift, I think. And there is this modak inside it. And yeah, it does come with a sling as well. So this is how it looks. Very cute. So that is it. I think I'm going to wrap up today's video. I'm going to sit and edit a YouTube video right now which went up last week. So I'm going to edit that video right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.